Upward, protect your knee, onward. Double, double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble. Oh, well done, I commend your way, and everyone shall share in the day. And round about the cauldron ring, like elves and fairies in a ring, enchanting all that you could say. By the breaking of my tongue, something wicked is wake up. Open locks, whoever knocks.
How be you, secret black as midnight has? What is it you do?
A deed without a name.
I conjure you by which you profess. However you come to know it, answer me to what I ask you.
Speak, demand. Will answer. Say, will you hear it from our mouth or from our masters?
Call them, let me see them.
Come high or low, thyself and our exactly show.
Macbeth, Macbeth, Macbeth. Beware, Macbeth, beware the King of Five. The Smith means.
Whatever you are, for your good morning, thanks. But one word more.
He will not be commanded. Is another more important than the first.
Macbeth, Macbeth, Macbeth.
Had I 3 years, I'd hear thee.
Be bloody, bold, and bold. Thou this roundabout man, as of them will want shall ever unpack.
Then live, Macduff. What need I fear thee? But I will make double sure. You shall not live. What is this that rises like a prince and wears upon its baby brow the golden crown of sovereignty?
Listen but speak not to it.
Be iron-hearted, proud, and take no care who annoys, who worry, or where conspirators are. Macbeth shall never be defeated, but the great God of good shall come to hide concerning him against him.
That will never be. Who can move the forest, cause the trees to uproot themselves? Favorable predictions, good. But can you tell me if Banquo's descendants will ever inherit the crown?
Seek no more.
I shall be satisfied with this final answer. But if you deny, may a curse fall upon you.
Show his eyes and grieve his heart. Come like shadows, so depart.
Macbeth sees a show of 8 kings, the last with a glass in his hand, with Banquo's ghost following.
Now I see it is true. Because Banquo, his hair matted in blood, smiles at me.
Yes, sir, all this is true. But why does Macbeth look so amazed? Come against our sisters, let's cheer him up. Cheer him the best of our delights. I will enchant the ear to make music while you perform your pretty dance.
Lennox, did you see the weird sisters?
No, my lord.
Who comes this way?
There are some people who come with the news that Macduff fled to England.
Oh, Macduff, I shall waste no more time. I will immediately kill your wife and your children.
Later, Macbeth gets the report of Verna Woods moving towards the Dunstan, which is actually Malcolm with his aligned forces moving towards the Dunstan with branches in their hands to camouflage their strength. Macduff faced Macbeth in the battlefield.
Oh, Macduff, you have come to kill me. But I am invincible, as none of women born can harm me.
I was unnatural from my mother's day. I will kill you.
During the battle, Macduff reveals his unnatural birth and slays Macbeth, relying on the equivocation of the witches leading to the false sense of security while sinking into the depth of sin. The play ends with the role of Malcolm and restoring the power and peace to Scotland, thus depicting the victory of good over evil.